I am making overnight protein oats. These are great as a make ahead breakfast or dessert. Very delicious and easy. I'm going to show you 2 ways. Let's get started. The first version is white chocolate and raspberry, and it's got melted white chocolate with a little bit of milk, and then we're going to make the base. It's basically rolled oats, vanilla protein powder, Greek yogurt, and some milk of your choice. Mix it all together. I like to put a few raspberries in it. Pop it in the jar or Pyrex glass container, drizzle with white chocolate, add raspberries on top, and pop it in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours, but overnight ideal. They turn out so creamy and delicious. It's like a dessert. White chocolate and raspberry overnight oats. So good. The second one is with the Biscoff cookie spread. Again, it's melted with a little bit of milk to get it into smooth consistency. And then we make the oats the same way. It's rolled oats, vanilla protein powder, again of your choice, milk and some yogurt. Then pop it in the jar and drizzle that Biscoff on top. And I love crushed peanuts, like toasted peanuts on top. You can use any other nuts, a little cookie, some raspberries. Again, in the refrigerator it goes. It's so good. This is the Biscoff overnight oats. So creamy, it's like dessert.